So in this video, we are going to see how we can perform attack on WPS protocol. So first of all, we will see which networks have WPS enabled. So the command we are going to use is wash, and it's with I, and I is for interface, and we have to give our monitor mode interface, which is WLAN 0. So as you can see, there are so many networks which have WPS enabled. So WPS is enabled by default in every access point. So you have to disable it if you don't want uh, to use WPS. So the network on which we are going to attack is this one over here. So let me show you one other thing. So over here you can see so many networks which have WPS enabled, right? Um, but there are so many other networks which don't have WPS enabled, and you cannot see those networks over here. So if I do airmong ng, or sorry, aerodump ng wlan 0 mon, so over here, let me make it little wider. So over here you can see so many networks which you cannot see over on wash command. So wash command will only show you networks which have WPS enabled, right? So let me close it. So these are all the networks which have WPS enabled, and over here we can see this is the BSS ID, which is the MAC address, and this is the channel, and dBm is the difference of distance, and WPS is the version over here. So there are two versions, 1 and 2, and lock is the status of WPS. So if we do so many wrong attempts on any network, it get a yes status, which is a lock status. So we will see how we can unlock this in the next video. And vendor is the chip used in the router or the access point, and ESS ID is the name of the access point, right? So the network on which we are going to attack is HSP over here. So let me split my window, and the command which we are going to use is river, and then we have to give the BSS ID, and I can copy it from here, and then the channel number, which is 11, and then I have to give the interface WLAN 0 mon and hit enter. So I have done attack on this network before, so it saved my session, so I can restart my session from the beginning, or I can start from wherever I have left. So I'll just press no, and we will start it from the beginning. So as you can see, right now it's associated with HSB. So after few attempts, you will see that HSB will locked, and the status will be changed from no to yes. Then in the next video, we will see how we can unlock this network again. So after trying few pins at the top, as you can see, HSB is locked now, so we cannot attempt other pins. So in the next video, we are going to see how we can unlock this HSB network and again try some other pins.